Right boys, so we are here. You should know from this picture here. We've been here a few times before. I'm just gonna let the car cool down. Matty's got front and centre, as per usual. Whereas I've been sort of cast. Yeah, it's still a good place to be fair, but Whitey's just got standard parking. Drive down as well, wasn't too bad. I don't think I actually got that dirty as well, to be fair. Maybe a little bit, just a bit of dust, but that's not too bad. Whereas on Whitey's car, because it's white, I don't know if it's going to be dirty. Still looking fairly clean.
This is?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's surprising.
So we haven't had this car on the channel before, but this is Whitey's new Mark 5 GTI. This is actually a Japanese import as well. So, Whitey, pop the thing. Look at this. The Japanese. How cool is that?
Can we just appreciate this sticker down here? This is my favourite one. Just down there.
Wait. That's so sick.
And then also we've got a few more here.
Look at that.
There's a few in here that could do with being replaced. It's quite cool. You've got all like the Japanese tag on there. It's my favourite.
Yeah, even on the bottle as well. Look. So cool. And then we've just got your German engineer in here. She did well. You know what? She did, considering it's not done a massive journey like that in a long time.
Amazing.
So as mentioned, Matty front and centre. It's really cool actually. Pulled in Mark 3 TT.
Oh, beautiful.
Just like he's been rallying. They're nice wheels. They are.
What paint job is this? Is this out the factory?
Yeah, this is no, this is the Outback. It's what it's called.
Outback edition.
Yeah, Outback edition. Yeah.
Oh, I see the V.
Oh my god.
Oh, nice.
Finger fist test.
Close, but you could. Willie.
Look at you getting all the attention. You love it, don't you?
It's a drink stand.
Yeah, whatever, mate.
I think it is hot chocky wocky time.
Hot chocky wocky.
Matt, and then you just say.
Okay.
Look it up.
Make sure you get that white one in there.
I can't not get the white one in there.
Hot chocky wocky.
Hot chocky wocky.
Let's go. You're the last Christmas tree.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. Get it nice zoom in. We've got a Christmas tree for sale if you want it.
Minimal wear.
I do it here for 100. It's been on my car, innit? It's upvalued.
In the extended car park down here, we've got a GT86, and I think this is a club. Nice 240i here, B58. A lot of people do these wheels and they look so nice. Black on black is definitely my vibe. Yeah, 240i. Unfortunately it's got the standard exhaust, but MX-5 with the body up. Could it be a supercharger or a turbo? We shall find. Oh, it's standard. So MX-5 here as well. Hit Drifty Boy. And then probably one of the most expensive cars to run, especially when you include tax. So this is like, if you don't know, the S2000 is like the highest tax bracket. It's carbon fibre bonnet as well. Beautiful car. Nice body kit on as well. I don't know what that body kit is called. I think it's just got like the front splitter of it. And then also next to that, nice Honda Type R with some Enkis. We've sort of upgraded brakes as well, I think. Some big brake kit. And then just next to the Type R, you've got this Porsche GT3. Don't believe it's the RS version, however. Oh no, is it a turbo? No, it is a GT3, that's my bad. What a beautiful car, carbon ceramics as well. PDK, no it's not, it's a manual. It's a manual. I wonder how rare this is. Got the carbon bucket seats as well.
I was rich.
Tell me one thing that makes this car very rare.
Don't know, it's not really an old bag, is it?
Hold up. We're not that bothered about this.
I am. This. Oh, this is a good, actually.
Yeah.
This or this.
I'd buy this. Or get this, sell it, and buy that.
That's probably worth more.
No, it ain't. Nah. If you work really hard your whole life,
you'll be able to afford one of the wheels.
If you work really hard,
Or you commit fraud. We won't go into that.
what I was going to say is if you work really hard, you still won't be able to afford one of these.
So this is just, I say just, this is just the GT3, not the RS.
Yeah.
But this is like an everyday creature comforts car, whereas the RS is like full race car. But wow. K20, B18, B16.
Yeah.
Where's the screamer pipe?
Well, it's got carbon scoop.
Oh yeah. That's cool, well spotted.
That's what you should have done, a wrapped car.
Well, you want to
at
do
Christmas.
that.
Yeah, you should have done.
It's got underglow as well.
Next year, watch your space.
Yeah, but we did say
we've-
next
we've-
year about the Christmas tree,
yeah,
and
we've
you've done
got
it,
one
so shout out to me. Someone's got to do it.
Someone's got to do it, right? Someone's got to flip those burgers.
Wait, Matty, how much time did you put into that?
To the tree.
5 minutes?
No,
True.
what do you mean, Matt? Yeah, I was going to
I
say
just
Matt
forgot.
didn't do it. Matt just watched and we did it. Bay-tie blue as well. Still probably one of the most iconic cars, R34 of any kind, whether it be manual. I'll just say auto. No one likes an auto. They drive autos now. They suck. So the GT3 is now leaving. What a beautiful car. Now we're full. We've eaten, come back outside, and a few more cars have just turned up. So this GTR, very nice. Oh, I love the seats. Are they comfortable?
They actually are, surprisingly. Most people would look at them and go, oh my god, they're...
So speaking to the guy that owns this, his name's Kevin, saying about the wheels, £5 a wheel, proper Nismo. This is the Nissan GTR, the race version, I believe he said. So it's like a GTR just before the Nismo. So this car, or one similar to this, was used for all of the testing we used for all the testing before the Nissan GTR Nismo edition was made. So 150 of these cars left. Or left, I said that was all that was made. Absolutely beautiful car. He did say as well how you can spot these cars, the race edition, is the fact they had the brake cooling. So normal Nissan GTRs do not have this, they have just the splitter and not the actual cooling brakes. Oh, one of the new Jaguars as well, new shape, facelift. Or is the R version? Sorry, I zoomed in. But this Aston Martin V8 Vantage, I believe that's what it's called. Same car that Matt Armstrong repaired. A bit of a different colour. I think his is like a chrome red. Fiat 182, I believe they are called. Some big Jeep with a Christmas wreath thing on it. Right, you're getting them angles.
This is right in the way.
Did you get the angles?
Yeah, got the angle.
Nice.
Life is what you make it. I feel like I'm amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on drip I can't afford, but that's the price I pay for the memories I'm making. I've been going places. I've been shaking hands for a chance to really make it. This life is so abrasive, so I almost gave it. All this shit that I'm laying, it's only the foundation. I've been going crazy, just trying to find a way. I was in the basement, trying to turn the page. I was going through the phase. Nobody see my face. I was chasing at the paper, been all for the waiters, but everything again, ain't nothing left to lose. I've been breaking rules, I've been making moves.
We are back home. Absolutely no issues with this car. Hopefully you did enjoy nice little B-roll clips as well in between, before we actually got to Caffeine Machine and then afterwards. But yeah man, absolutely love this car. Such an awesome car to drive. Looks beautiful as well. The dust, considering we've just done a 2-hour round trip journey, is not too bad at all. Hopefully it stays like this for a couple more days. Hopefully guys you did enjoy this video. I really enjoyed this video as well. The amount of looks that Matty gets because of his, obviously him having the Christmas tree on top of his car, is something you don't see every day. So we actually recorded a reaction video with that. So we went around to Nottingham town where it was like all the people were out. It's like Saturday night. I'll put a link in the top right hand side of your screen now so you guys can click that and go over and watch that video because it's funny, trust me. Enough we talking, I'm gonna go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I've been Josh. This is the star of the show, my beautiful, beautiful Quattro Sport. And that was our POV. Peace out guys.